Okay, so we're going to continue with the log roll. So we have a team of 3. I'm going to take the head. I'm going to take the head, get ready to get moving him. Let's start the decrumpling. Bring the arm up. Good. Support the shoulders. Okay. Now, is anyone not ready? So it's going to go shoulder, hip, shoulder, hip. Your left hand on the hip. On the far hip, you're going to roll them. Your right hand on the hip. Right hand. Right hand on the hip, cross hands.
And then you come over here.
Yep. And then Kaylee, you two are crossed at the knees, so it's shoulder, crossed at the hip, knee, crossed at the knees. Does that make sense? Is anyone not ready? Count of 3. Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. That's the rigid mark. I got your head. Awesome. Okay. And so with the team of 3, anytime you have hands-on a patient, you're crossed at the point where you meet with your partner. Does that make sense? You're crossed at the point where you meet with your partner.